Welcome to my show, honey. Welcome to Soraya's Kitchen.
Hey, darling.
I'm testing it round through, and I'm here to give it to you.
Yes. Welcome to Soraya's Fierce Van Life. Welcome to this episode. This is Saturday, April 25th. We're all rolling into the last week of April. I'm in New York City. I'm in Jackson Heights, Queens. I'm a transgender woman living in a van during the COVID-19 crisis. This month, I did get tested for COVID-19 out of wanting to know and wanting to face my fear about being tested and what that would feel like, be like. Now, I've been self-quarantining for a while, and I really hunkered down. I want to talk a little bit about the process. It was the NewYorkCity.gov phone number. I called in. They asked me about how I was feeling, let them know what my symptoms were. I requested a drive-thru testing site. And so I went, Aqueduct Raceway here in Queens, and it was really weird. It was so weird. It was so spooky. A couple of my friends challenged me, like, why'd you get tested? Like, wait, did you have symptoms? I was like, yeah, some headaches, some body aches. I had some weird little things going on, but it could be the carbon monoxide, even though I have ventilation. It could be a lot of different things. It could be allergy season, but why be guessing all that energy? I wanted to get tested, so I got tested. And I'm happy I had the courage to face this truth that I am living through the COVID-19 pandemic, and I felt responsible to get tested. And I really respect Governor Cuomo and everything that he's saying and how he's handling the crisis. He kept saying tested, testing, tested. And Nancy Pelosi is getting testing. So I was like, well, testing, 1, 2, 3. So, and if you're gonna go for the test, and if you have a preferred name as opposed to legal name, make sure you provide your legal name when they look you up, because they were like scratching their head like, Soraya, we see Soraya, but your license says Jamie Montalvo Jr. So, good thing I went in my van, because all over my van is Soraya's Fierce Cooking Show and Soraya, and a picture of me as Soraya, whatever. So it took a while. There was a stalling at the line, and I was starting to get really anxious about not being able to get tested, and there's all these cars behind me, and I would have to pull out all weird, and they had military personnel there, you know, the whole tent and the gowns and the masks and everything, looking like a movie out of Contagion, and it was really just trippy, but I'm glad I went and got tested. And so if you're transgender and you're going to get tested, whatever your name is on your license, on your ID, please make that appointment with that name. I got my results, and they're negative, so I'm really happy about that, of course. So I want to thank the woman who tested me, who placed the swab up my nostril. She was very gentle and walked me through it really quickly, really nicely. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful for Pauline, this one doctor that I was connected with on my cap. I was touching base with her every week because I felt I had symptoms. I'll say really quickly, a bunch of cars with a loudspeaker passed a few times today. I never saw them before with, what was it, hashtag they cancel the rents, hashtag cancel the rents. That is the reason. Well, that's not the reason, because I didn't know COVID-19 was going to happen, but I'm so glad I took van life when I did, as hard as this was, and it was ass whooping, especially the winter and all of that was really tough, still tough. No bathrooms because I can't use the gym. The gyms are closed. You know, tough. But I did not want to accumulate any debt and have that pressure. I'd rather have pressure about keeping myself clean in a van and going to the bathroom in a van. How I'm going to do that, which I look okay and I smell nice, actually. So I've managed to handle that, learn that, but continue occurring debt while this is happening, when the job market, once it does open up, it's going to be hairy, it's going to be scary, it's going to be complicated, it's going to be highly competitive. So when this group of cars, people were like, cancel the rents, like, you know, thank God I'm in van life and this vehicle is paid for and I pay insurance for it and my storage fee, and everything else is like normal living fees. So cancel the rents. You are the sunshine of my life. I'm happy today, it's a little sunny. I'm coming to you. My voice is a little funny. But I am a woman and I'm transgender. And I'm Soraya, the queen of healthy Latin cooking. Yeah. So I'm going to say adios, bye. Thank you for watching my show. And get tested. Know what your status is. Alright? Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Welcome to my show, honey. Welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Carrying such a heavy load, honey. Feels like you're all alone. You need a new recipe. Well, I'm the one to see. Time it rolls along you. Wanna hear my song? So welcome to my show. Welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free.